Hey everybody, my name's Dylan. I'm with Newborn Brothers. So today I'm going to be doing a video on gun preference and why you would choose, say, a cartridge gun like the 250 model that they have here, opposed to a sausage gun where you would use something like this with the 420 AL model that they have here, or if you use a bulk gun with bulk material like the model 624 GTS right here. Okay, so first I'll start with the cartridge gun. So when you would use cartridges is stuff like doing interior trim work, where you're going to need to use like an acrylic latex caulk, and it only really comes in cartridge form, so you wouldn't even be able to do it in sausage or bulk form. Or something like when you're doing downspouts, you're going to use a cartridge product like this, because you need to have good maneuverability to get inside all the little nooks and crannies and make sure your downspout's not going to leak. And another thing is just if you need a small amount, because say with the sausages there's 20 ounces in here, so if you're not going to use 20 ounces, then it wouldn't make sense for you to use it. Whereas if you could use a 10-ounce cartridge and you're not going to have as much waste material, so you can save money like that. Another big thing is cartridges are usually cheaper, so there's going to be a lower startup cost when using cartridges compared to using sausages. Now, I prefer to use sausage guns. I do a lot of caulking. You know, we're doing full buildings, full houses, so we'll use sausage guns almost every day. The only time I use a cartridge gun is for those two things that I just said to you, downspouts and interior trim work and stuff like that, where you're just going to use a little bit out of a tube, so you're not going to use a 20-ounce sausage. With 20-ounce sausages, you know, you can do 10 windows sometimes with just one sausage, where if you were using cartridges, you're going to be changing cartridges every window, and you know, the cost is going to be higher. You know, one of these is only going to cost you $9, where one of these costs you $7. So you think about it, you do the math, you'll be saving money in the long end by using sausages. The next step up from that is bulk material. Now, this is not as common. The only time you'll be using bulk material with a bulk gun is when you're doing like commercial work, where you're going to be, so one of these pails is 20 sausages worth of material. So if you're on a scaffold or in a lift, you're not going to be wanting to get boxes and change cartridges all the time. So you'll just bring up a bucket of the bulk material, and that one color will take you through the whole building or whatever you need to do. You know, the downfall to bulk material is it's a way higher startup cost, and you know, changing colors and switching stuff, it's a little bit more work. So that's when you'll stick with something like a sausage material. But if you're just doing one color and that's all you're going to be using all day, then the bulk material is going to be your go-to, because you're going to save money in the long end again. Okay, so that's about it. Cole's notes is that if you do a lot of caulking, the sausage packs might be good for you, but if you're only doing a small job, then the cartridge packs are going to be good for you. If you're doing a whole building, bulk material might be good for you. So if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or if you wanted to look up any of the products, you can follow the link and go on the website and look up information on these newborn products that they offer. Thanks for watching, and please follow.